Hello everyone, it's Kathy. Welcome to my channel, Kathy's Plan, and welcome to another video. I hope that you guys are doing well, still staying safe. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you get some ideas or you get some inspiration, tell me about it down in the comments. Also, please share and subscribe. Today, guys, we're going to be working in my creative journal. I'm going to be using this sticker book. This is a mega sticker book from 2019. And I'm also going to be using this I Heart Stickers book. I believe it's 2019 as well. We are going to be starting out in this top left as always. That is just my thing. I like to start out with that top left in my creative journal as well as my planner. I don't know why. I'm sorry, that's just how my mind works. This will be the cover page for this spread, and I'm trying to get this script washi kind of set behind the sticker so that it gives that background effect. And now we're going to be going in with this hello sticker, and the script under the hello is to all the possibilities. So now we're going to go in and look for some flowers to fit in that bottom corner. Y'all, I had actually completely totally forgot about these sticker books. That is how it is when you have so many. But I am on an all-out attempt to use up my older sticker books. Down here, I'm just trying to figure out which sticker looks best, moving some things around, taking some things up. So now we're going to go in with this Progress Not Perfection sticker, and that sticker actually has the colorful glitter in the script, which turned out to be really pretty. We're moving on to the very last page of the Dutch door. For me, I think I want the cover page and the last page of the Dutch door to be similar in a lot of ways so that it kind of ties together. Again, because I really didn't have anything pulled, I was working on this from the top of my head. I kind of had an idea of what I wanted, but I'm basically trying to set this back page up to match the front page, again with the washi, and putting it behind the flowers so that it gives that, again, that background effect. Going to get off the excess washi tape, and again looking for the best flower that will fit in this little corner. And that sticker ended up saying, that quote, I'm sorry, is the whole point of the week is the weekend, and I agree 100%. Now we're moving on to trying to build the next layer of the Dutch door. I have some circle stickers here, and guys, let me just be honest, I'm still, after all these years, I'm still not good with layering. I don't know what it is, but I'm trying. I make every effort possible to layer stickers. This part right here, it actually turned out pretty good, so I'm proud of myself a little bit on this one. And once I get it set up, we're gonna go in and cut out the Dutch door part, but I had to go back and finish laying down this very, very thin washi tape. Let's get these Dutch doors cut out. This will be the first one, and I'm using the gyro cut, which I absolutely love. Funny thing is, I can cut a straight line better with the gyro cut versus a regular cutting tool. Now we're going to move on to the very next Dutch door, and I want to set this up similar to the page behind it, but I got to move things around and see where it falls and make sure that I'm able to see the design on the next page. I give myself a little bit of credit on this one. I really did a good job with the layering part. I really did. And going in with this thin washi. And once we get the washi down on this side, same thing, we're going to go ahead and get the Dutch door cut out. Now on to the left side of the cover page. Again, moving things around, making sure that I can see everything on the pages behind. Gonna go ahead and get that cut out. And I believe this is where I realized I messed up. I had to move a couple of things over, but I did that off camera. So now we're working on the back side of the Dutch doors, and I've learned that it's never going to be a perfect match. Did I say perfect right? And I'm okay with that. I'm really okay with that. I don't even try to make them match anymore. As long as the beginning is okay, I'm good. I don't even try to make sure that it's an exact match. Here I am trying to find something to put next to this hand so that it's, you know, kind of reaching for something. I looked through those books back and forth. I couldn't find anything. So I went with one of my favorite things, and that's adding in lines and boxes. So I drew in a box with a pencil, got a better idea of where I wanted it. So I went in with my Pigma Micron pen and draw it in the box just to give it a little oomph, something more, because I felt like there needed to be something on the other side of the hand, you know, but I quickly got over that because I couldn't find anything to put there. And I went on to put in the lines for writing on the next page. And here is where I start looking for something to maybe fit in that little space up there. Nothing worked, so I just went and added a couple more sprinkles in the background of the quotes. Now we're moving on to the back page of the Dutch door, and I want something there. I kind of wanted to step out of my comfort zone of drawing lines, and I do that because I feel like the black really grounds the spread. But hey, I need to use up these stickers. I found some that blended in, some box stickers, decorative box stickers that blended in. It worked. They went on the paper. It did what I needed it to do. It turned out really, really cute. That's it, guys. I hope you guys like this video, got some ideas. As always, please tell me about it in the comments. I will see you all in the next video.